Hey Transformers, today I want to discuss with you the importance of iron in the body. Iron is important because it's vital for the production of hemoglobin. Hemoglobin transports oxygen throughout the body. So when you have good amount of hemoglobin in the body, you tend to have increased energy and better athletic performance. Also, you get healthier pregnancy because the hemoglobin is going to transport nutrients and oxygen to the baby, to the fetus. If you are lacking in iron, you develop a condition known as anemia. When you have anemia, people usually feel weaker. They just don't perform as well. And also, pregnancy can be tricky. Now, what are good sources of iron? Good sources of iron are clams, Pacific oysters, spinach, white beans, lentil, tofu, potatoes, tomatoes, chickpeas, and cashews. So you don't have to be eating meat all the time. So even if you're vegetarian, you can have good source of iron. I mentioned that because vegetarians tend to be more prone to becoming anemic. See if you can add those into your diet, especially if you are low in iron, and let me know how this impacts you. I would love to hear them in the comments. I'll see you next time. Bye.